Hey folks, welcome to DCF Garage. And today what I'm going to do in me and Gorgeous Wife's VTX 1800, this is a 2004 C model, is I'm going to replace the battery. Even though I keep it on the tender, it's already having some difficulty to crank. I'm very sure that this battery is gone. So I bought a new battery. I'm going to show you how to add the acid to the battery. I'm going to show you right now that it is a little bit challenged to crank. So I got this new battery. I bought it from Power Sports. I bought it on eBay. It's the YTX 20LBS, which is the exact model for the VTX 1800. And it comes with the hardware. Keep that aside. We're going to use it when we install. When you open it, you'll see the acid and the battery itself. First thing you want to do, you want to remove this top strip. You're going to get the acid. Just be careful, wear gloves. This is sulfuric acid. Put it on a flat surface, all right? Steady surface. You're going to remove the cap carefully. Keep the cap because we're going to use it to seal the battery. And then pretty straightforward, you're going to place it on top of each one of the holes. And you're going to push it down and it's going to puncture the seal and acid will start flowing into the battery. So instruction says that you should see it bubbling. So I can see the first, it's bubbling here, it's bubbling here, it's bubbling here, it's bubbling here. I don't think it's bubbling here, but it's going down and it's bubbling here. So they're all going down. It takes about 5 to 15 minutes. Now that the acid has all gone in, I'm just going to gently remove the container. Just be careful, might have a drop. Now we're going to install the sealer. And take your time. Make sure you push it all in, that it's all flush. Okay, so got my charger on. I'm gonna put the clamps on. Let's select the battery type and put AGM battery. On the amps, I'm gonna do 2 amps and let it sit and charge. So it's at 60%. It should take about an hour, a couple of hours. I'm not sure. So we're gonna let it sit. Several hours later, the battery is 100% charged and we got 13 volts. So let's put it on the bike. So to get the battery, you guys know this, there's 2 6mm Allen bolts on each side of the seat and 1 10mm bolt up here. And we pull the seat up and now we're going to get the ECU out of the way, 2 Phillips screws. We're going to flip it up and we're going to have access to the battery. Pull the ECU up. Now we have access to the battery. So we're going to do a little test with the battery. You got my voltmeter here and you can see it's 12.3 and I'm going to crank to see how much it drops to see if it goes below 10 volts to confirm or not that the battery is bad. So I'm going to crank the bike. Let's see. So this time around it dropped to 10, which is not ideal. This shows that the battery is definitely gone. So let's start with the negative. I'm just going to place a rag here so it doesn't slip and touch the terminal. I think I'm going to need both hands. Let's go with the new battery in. And of course, the positive side has got to be directed to the positive terminal, obviously. So let's slide the battery in, get the terminal out of the way. Make sure you snug the terminals so you have a good contact with the battery. I'm going to go back with the ECU. And that's it. I'm not going to show you guys how to put the seat back on. That's really straightforward. So if you like this video, remember to subscribe and consider giving it a thumbs up or vice versa. Thank you.